With the advancement of technology, sending and receiving money online has never been easier. Regardless of your business and location, there is a way to get paid online. Thanks to technology, online payment systems have changed the business landscape. Now, a small cake shop in the countryside can be global and receive payment for their products through a website or payment processing solutions. Ever bought anything and paid with PayPal, Skrill, or Payoneer? If yes, then you've used an online payment system. Online payment services may seem complex for those who have been manually processing payments up until now. But in the real sense, it has made doing business easier by allowing customers, members, or donors to support you in a way that's convenient for them. In this video, we will be taking you on an educational journey. We will help you understand what online payment systems are, the advantages, how secure it is, and the best options to use. These and more you will learn from this video. Stay tuned! What is online payment? Online payment refers to the electronic exchange of money for goods or services provided. Receiving money through the internet means accepting online payment. This is the transaction that results from the transfer of funds from a customer bank or credit card account to your bank account. Online payments can be done from a variety of platforms, such as credit and debit card, bank transfers, e-wallets, checking account, or other clearinghouse like PayPal. Online payments are done over a secured, encrypted connection in order to minimize chances of personal and billing information stolen. How does online payment work? To understand how online payments work, you need to understand some basic components of payment processing platforms. These components are: merchant account. This is the account that allows you or your business to accept online payments. Without it, there will be nowhere to keep the money your customers pay you. Payment processor. The payment processing institution or company controls the transaction between your customer's bank and yours. The responsibility lies on the payment processor to check whether card information is correct and protect you from fraudulent activities. Whenever you make an accidental transaction or build an incorrect charge, the payment processor takes care of the error. Payment gateway. A payment gateway serves as a mediator between all transactions on your website and the payment processor. It connects your merchant account with issuers of debit and credit card, like Visa and MasterCard. A payment gateway is needed because security measures forbid the transfer of data from one bank to another. Hence, without a payment gateway, a business owner cannot receive customers' payments. Now that you've understood the components involved in online payments, let's look at a typical example of how an online payment process looks like by following a transaction from start to finish. A customer by name Henry picks up an item, pulls out his card, and submits his payment information to the merchant. This he did by completing the payment form on the merchant's website. The merchant then submits Henry's payment information to the online payment gateway. The online payment gateway passes the payment information to the payment processor. The payment processor verifies, approves the transaction, and responds to the payment gateway. Henry's bank account sends money to the processor, and the processor sends the money to the merchant's bank. The processor gives feedback of the transaction status to the gateway, either approved or denied. The merchant receives the money for the item Henry picked. What are the advantages of online payment? Online payments have made doing business to be easy as pie. Business owners now have the privilege to engage customers that shop on their website. Some of these online payment platforms include PayPal, Skrill, Stripe, Amazon Payments, Google Wallet, etc. The advantage of using these online payment platforms are multi-currency payment processing, reduced dependency on printed currency, availability of service in many countries, transactions are more transparent as records will always be available, user-friendly experience, fast and secured way of financial transactions, guaranteed security against fraud and personal data protection, integration with shopping carts, customized features. Although the advantages of online payment outweighs the disadvantages, some of the disadvantages are high rates of some payment platforms, limitations on the number of transactions per day, restrictions on the amount per transaction, some security lapses like privacy breach, risk of being hacked. Most online payment platforms are not subject to banking regulations, especially PayPal, and as such can freeze your account and money at will. Popular online payment system. Now that we've gone through the basics of online payments, advantages and disadvantages, here are a few payment systems that you can use for your business online payment needs. 1. Authorize.net. This is considered the oldest and most widespread payment solution. It has been processing online payments since 1996. Despite being around for a long time, it stays current with trends. Little wonder it has been the recipient of the Achievement in Customer Excellence Award from 2008 to 2016. With over 300,000 merchants, Authorize.net is the go-to platform for e-commerce sites that need a gateway to accepting payments. 2. PayPal. When it comes to sending and receiving payments online, PayPal is the reigning champion. It is the favorite choice solution for online customers, business owners, and freelancers. To utilize the services of PayPal, you need a user's existing account or a credit card. Money can be sent directly to an email address, hence promoting the users to sign up for a new PayPal account. Allowing users to send money through its service is a feature that has given them the edge over other payment solution providers. 3. Google Checkout. Also known as Google Wallet, Google Checkout is an online payment service that permits users with Gmail accounts to pay for goods and services, send safe, simple, and speedy money from their browser and smartphones. The major advantage that Google Checkout has over its competition is the fact that millions of internet users use Google for other services, making a purchase through checkout a more simpler process. 4. Amazon Payment. Amazon Payment allows its users to receive money through its API. Customers are more relaxed when business owners accept payments through Amazon. Whenever they make a purchase on your site, they automatically go through Amazon's checkout. This means their Amazon credentials are used for the checkout process, making it more convenient and trustworthy. 5. Dwolla. Dwolla is the foremost competitor to PayPal. Setting up an account with Dwolla is similar to PayPal. It can handle multiple payment structures like installment payments, varying recurring charges, and a multiple-stage interest. Best of all, their fee structure is very competitive, as transactions below $10 are free. 6. Stripe. Stripe is regarded as one of the most flexible payment processors in the market. Its powerful and flexible API makes it possible for you to tailor the platform to meet your specific needs. Stripe is easy to use, even if you are not a professional coder. Lack of monthly or hidden fees is an added advantage. 7. Payoneer. Being present in more than 200 countries and accepting about 150 different currencies, Payoneer is one of the oldest global payment systems. To receive payment through Payoneer is free, and the platform includes a flexible API. Payoneer also offers a plastic MasterCard for those not ready to go 100% digital. 8. Skrill. With features such as low transaction fees, instant withdrawals and deposits, being able to send text messages directly from your account, and the ability to accept from 40 currencies, Skrill is now a good alternative to PayPal. Skrill also pays you 10% of the fees they generate from paying or sending money to your Skrill account for an entire year when you refer friends. 9. WePay. If you are looking for an online payment platform with top-notch customer service and fraud protection, then WePay it is. WePay seems to be more focused on their individual users, and they allow internet merchants to accept credit cards and bank account payment online. Merchants seem to like WePay because customers make their purchases without having to leave their site. 10. Square. Square was the first online payment service to introduce credit card swipers that could be attached to a cell phone, paired with an app, and process transactions. Square is keen on a safe and secure transaction process. Hence, they have improved their technology with advanced tap features. 11. Apple Pay. Apple Pay is the most seamless payment option for online payment in the market. With the touch of a button or fingerprint scan, users can instantly pay using their existing Apple Wallet. However, Apple Pay is not a payment provider, so to receive other kinds of payment, you need to set up through one of the others in this list. Which online payment platform is the best? The online payment platforms mentioned earlier and more all have similar fee structures, but some vary on how the charge is incurred. According to BigCommerce, the most popular payment gateways or online payment systems are PayPal, Stripe, Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, Authorize.net, and Payoneer. Each of these has its limitations, like which cards are accepted or geographical regions they won't process payment from. In my opinion, there is no need to be loyal to just one payment gateway. As a business owner, you've got nothing to lose by stacking payment companies on your website. You may lose your sale if the only payment system you have is PayPal and your customer has a bitter experience with them. Thus, making secondary options available could save your sale. Cheapest way to accept payments online. Finding an online payment service is simple, but getting the cheapest one for your use could be tasking. This is because the fees charged by these online payment services ranges depending on the method of payment, payee's location, and the type of product or service you are providing. In general, merchant payment services are only cheap if you are using them in a specific way that avoids high free transaction methods such as keyed card number entries. Some of the cheap ones to use are Amazon Payment, PayPal, Skrill, and Square. Today, business owners have numerous payment platform options to choose from. Each platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it's up to you to find out which is the best for your business. Choose an online payment system that is in line with your business objectives. The online payment systems talked about in this video isn't an exhaustive list of online payment systems. If you have used any and it's not on this list, you can share with us in the comments section and discuss why you choose it over the other online payment systems. With this, we come to the end of today's educational journey on online payments. If you enjoyed watching this insightful video, be sure to leave a like and drop your views in the comment section. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notification, as we've got tons of interesting videos like this for your education and entertainment. Until next time, see you!